Sakal Gunar Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
This Srimad Bhagwatam is the literary incarnation of God, and it is compiled by Srila Visudev, the incarnation of God. It is meant for the ultimate good of all people, and it is all successful, all blissful, and all perfect. Lord Sri Caitanya Mahaprabhu declared that Srimad Bhagwatam is the spotless sound representation of all Vedic knowledge and history. There are selected histories of great devotees who are in direct contact with the personality of Godhead. Srimad Bhagwatam is the literary incarnation of Lord Sri Krishna and is therefore non-different from him. Srimad Bhagwatam should be worshipped as respectfully as we worship the Lord. Thereby we can derive the ultimate blessings of the Lord through its careful and patient study. As God is all light, all bliss, and all perfection, so also is Srimad Bhagwatam. We can have all the transcendental light of the Supreme Brahman, Sri Krishna, from the recitation of Srimad Bhagwatam, provided it is received through the medium of the transparent spiritual master. Lord Chaitanya's private secretary, Srila Svarup Damodar Goswami, advised all intending visitors who came to see the Lord at Puri to make a study of the Bhagavatam from the person Bhagavatam. Person Bhagavatam is the self-realized bona fide spiritual master, and through him only can one understand the lessons of Bhagavatam in order to receive the desired result. One can derive from the study of the Bhagavatam all benefits that are possible to be derived from the personal presence of the Lord. It carries with it all the transcendental blessings of Lord Sri Krishna that we can expect from his personal contact.